to see you. Today I'm going to show you how to design a waddle, a lion and a kite.
You gonna get started?
Yeah. I take them all out now.
Yeah, tip them out.
I noticed these salters are the footprints.
Ah, right, okay. How many pieces do you need?
Loads. Loads, Mummy.
Ah,
That bit goes there, and that bit goes further, and there goes in there, and that bit goes in there. And that bit goes in there, and that bit goes in there, and that bit goes in there. And this bit goes in there, and that bit goes in there, and that bit goes there, and that goes there, and then this bit goes there to help the other bit stand up, and then there's one more bit to keep this bit stand up. I'm making a helicopter. And we need a wee door where you can come in.
oh, that's good thinking.
Wee door. And then this is how I can build a wee bed for you to sleep.
Who's the bed for?
And this frog, and the frog.
Oh, the frog.
This is the bad frogs.
Do you think this will be easy for other boys and girls to make?
There. Yeah.
Yeah.
Then to do there. Then to do there. And this bit to do in there, so that's where this gun is. So it can turn around and shoot the frogs.
Poor frogs.
No, but they're bad frogs, remember?
Oh,
And what I need to do is try and build more guns. Just this, it has loads of guns, so no frogs can get in. This thing,
and what have the frogs done if they're so naughty?
they do in the bad season, because that's the bad season.
But what have they done that's so bad?
No, they're this bad because they have swords.
Oh. So this is a building for naughty frogs. Is that what you're making?
Yes.
Right. Okay.
A couple more bits.
Where are you going to put those then?
Near the guns as well.
How many guns has this place got?
This got loads of guns
Why do we need lots of guns?
because there's loads of frogs. This is it. This is my naughty frogs where all the frogs still, and this is my naughty fight except because when they come down they just and then these guns shoot, and this is the time where it winds the season wheel up and then it farts water. Bye everyone. A thumbs up if you want to don't tell your mums how to build this, and if babies like to build that, doing this, the mums can help you build the one. Thumbs up if you like it. Bye!